Joy Saffron. I'm from New York. I was born here, and I was just 80. I was mostly an antique dealer, and my last career, I was a bridal consultant for gifts at Bloomingdale's. And I worked until 5 years ago. You know, it's a cliche, but being busy is very important. I am happy most of the time. I have my, down days, but I have a lot of interests that I've always had, and fortunately had a good education. But I'm always open to new ideas, new people, new philosophy. I have some friends that are much younger than I am, and I don't have my life only with one age group or people of the same background. I think New York is great because there's a lot that you can do. The biggest problem is money, and because it's expensive. And for me, I really don't have enough money, so I have to be very creative. Just, try things. Don't say, oh, I'm not interested in that, or I've never done that, I can't do that. And of course, for many people, health becomes a big problem. I'm relatively quite healthy, so that's a big plus. But mostly it's because I have an open mind, I've traveled, I have friends who, Europeans, people who are artists, people with different ways of approaching things. Don't get set in your ways. Also, don't turn down the opportunity for any new experience. And, be open, definitely be open to having romantic relationships if you can find it. It enriches your life. It's never over. Sadly, a lot of older women and men just really don't care anymore. They think the game is over. And I would encourage anybody to realize the game is not over. I mean, life is out there as long as you are alive. And to really do everything you want. If you can't do it now, you'll never do it.